Good morning, UAE. Afternoon, Philippines. See, the kids. They are early today because of Ramadan timing. Anyway, guys, today is Friday. It's weekend again. Enjoy your weekend. Tomorrow is my rest day. Saturday. The lampshade look like a cocoon. Yeah, the sun is very hot. See, very bright. The sun is already hot. The winter is done. See, the sun is very hot. The school of kids this time is only 3 hours. But the normal class before should be 4 hours. They just remove the 1 hour. But in the Philippines, the elementary is whole day. Elementary high school, the class in the Philippines is whole day. My television is up. Oh, the elevator is up. Why this one not working? Because they use service. The middle elevator is not working. They're using as cleaning. The maintenance use it here. Anyway, guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like. Leave a comment or suggestion and request. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.